Hi Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And we've got coasters. Now again, these are coasters that I got that didn't come with the cork backs, but if you wanted cork backs, they are super cheap to buy on Temu. Problem is, there's no way really of knowing beforehand, so as I'm not intending on using them as coasters, it's irrelevant because, as you guys know me by now, I tend to stick a magnet on things because they're about the only surfaces I've got. Right, so we have got some lovely spring coasters.
Yeah.
So I'll show you what we've got.
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely in purple. Snowdrops, I think.
Yeah.
Oop. Come on. Daisy. Lily. I believe that's carnations. And tulips. So you've got daffodils, sunflower. Actually, it's narcissus, isn't it? If it's the paler.
Yeah, it's paler than the other bit, yeah.
And possibly wisteria or hydrangeas. Not entirely sure.
Don't know.
But either way, we have got 8 lovely ones to do. And it's just going to be blooming lovely in here. There's going to be blooming flowers everywhere. It's not bad for a girl that don't get out. Yeah. Right, guys, let's get drilling. Right, guys, so coasters finished. So I'll pass them to Darren and he can show you, and we'll have a chat about them in a minute. Yeah, I don't think you're going to get...
Yeah, I've overlapped the other ones over. Yep.
Right. Yep. So that's them done. I haven't put magnets on the back yet, but I just wanted to show you. I mean, essentially, if you want to use them as coasters, I would heavily recommend that for one thing you get cork bottoms, which are really cheap on Temu. You just peel off the bit and stick them
Stick it
directly onto it.
Also,
and also seal the top.
Some bit Mod Podge or whatever sealer.
Yeah, whatever sealer you've got, basically. That's what I would suggest with that.
Yeah.
As I'm going to be probably sticking magnets on the back, which is another thing you can do with these, as you guys probably know by now.
Yeah.
And they just bling up the radiators a bit, give a bit of colour and prettiness and summeriness. Right, so let's talk favourites.
Favourites. My favourites are...
Let's see if they're the same as mine.
That one, and that one. My 3 favourites are...
Right, mine are that one, and that one.
Oh, so close.
Yeah. I do like the others.
Really? My least favourite is that one now.
I know, I love purple, but it's
I've got all of it. Yeah. It could be absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
And it shows up a lot better on the camera than what it does in real life.
Yeah. It's a shame, actually, I must admit. That being said, some of them do. Sometimes you get that where you will get one or two.
There's too many of the same colours together.
Could I have tweaked it? Probably.
Yeah, you would have had to know what it looked like to start off with, wouldn't you?
I mean, well, no, I had a good idea of what it, but I'd been going off of what I'd been picturing as well. But I really like it. I still like all of this. It's just pretty and sparkly and adds a little bit of cheer.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it is what it is. So guys, if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me what your favourites are or your least favourite. You know, we're just nosy basically, guys. Again, we read every comment.
Okay.
And honestly, you may not see the other side of it, but they do bring us a lot of joy, honestly, they really do. But yeah. So, my lovelies, all that leaves me to say now is be different, a very merry unhoo-hoo, and I think we will go for these beautiful tulips. Boop!